Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to hide Snapchat friends list. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. So once you're in your Snapchat, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your Bitmoji on the top right. From here, apparently we can see there's no option to hide your friends list. So what we need to do is head over to our chat list or our DM section. From here, just keep tapped on a DM, and what you can do is just do delete this chat. So you have to go to chat and notification settings. From here, if you clear it from chat feed, it will be cleared from your chat feed, but not all of your chats will be deleted with that person. So it will be kinda, you can say, hidden from your chat feed. But if you once you send a text to them again, your chat will be available again. So this is the first one you can try. And the second one you can try is if you can keep tapped on someone and then go to manage friendship, and here you'll find the option of edit display name. You can change their display name so that you can know, um, so that if your message just pops up, people reading that message don't know which person is just sending. So I have currently set a name for them and I'm currently saving it. And this is the second one you can try. And the last one is you can just go to your DM section, keep tapped on a chat and go to privacy settings, or you can just go to manage friendship and then remove that friend. So once you remove that friend, they will no longer be in your friends list. So yeah, these are 3 ways apparently so that you can just change or hide your friends list on Snapchat. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.